Does that sound better? It's probably because I had the fan on, because it's like an oven in here. So that should be okay now. Just waiting for someone to tell us
yes,
that.
Thanks. Okay, we're better.
Okay, thanks, Teresa. That's brilliant. So if you didn't hear me before, we've been asked to do some courses here in Retford, which is brilliant because, you know, I love teaching and I love doing classes. So we are going to, we've booked the 14th and 15th of October. So if you want to join us on either one of those days, or both if you want, here in Retford, then see the details in the chat wherever they are.
Just going to drop in now.
So let me tell you a little bit about them. The first one is the famous apron. So we're going to be teaching, let me get this out of the way. So we're going to be teaching doing my apron. The ones we've ordered actually are bigger than this, thank goodness. Then it'll fit me better. A bit more of a wraparound, and they're longer as well. So we've got some really nice aprons coming. They're plain aprons, they're already made, so all we're going to do is just paint them, decorate them. We're going to be using our lovely artist panels as well, so we've got loads of lovely things to paint on there and decorate it. And yeah, you don't need to bring anything with you apart from what's on the list, so probably just some paintbrushes and stuff like that, but everything else will be provided. And so that's on the 14th of October. On the 15th of October we are going to have a little Christmas play day of doing some cards and doing some personalised baubles, even though they're flat, but they are personalised. So you can actually order them beforehand and find out what you would like to have written on them. So it might be someone's name, it might be just, you know, something personal. If you can't make the classes, don't worry, you can actually order these as well off the website, so they are available now and you can actually personalize them. So any questions about that you can also ask Ella as well. So that's the 15th of October here in Retford. So they are going to run, I think, sort of between 10 and 5, so it's a nice full day as well. So we just don't sort of do just 2-hour classes, we are actually, you know, creating for the whole day minus a bit of a lunch break. So bring your pack up with you and join us here in Retford, North Nottinghamshire, dead easy to get to, great train line services from to Retford, and we're only a few minutes away from the station, but we can always pick you up. So that's 14th and 15th of October. So the apron on the Saturday, the Christmas things on the Sunday. So I'm just going to show you some of the Christmas stuff. So come this way.
If I go, I've got some baubles in the house. Do you need any more blank ones or anything?
No, I've got
Right.
I've got quite a few here. So we're going to do a selection of cards as well. So that's going to be really nice to do a few different techniques, bit of stamping, bit of colouring. So that's going to be really, really lovely. So we're just going to do some cards, and also we're going to do these baubles. And I love these because you can have your name on these, the name of your grandkids, your children, your hubby, your wife, your partner, whatever you want. You even can have your little pets' names on them as well, which is really cute. So we've got different designs as well. We've got the Christmas tree, we've got a little dog, we've got a little puddy cat, we have the reindeer, we also have the stars.
Just be careful with the, it's not got the fixed thing. Can't
focus.
talk. Yes.
Fixed focus. Okay, sorry about that. So yes, so there's also one that you can have which has got the Santa sleigh on it as well, and this is how they might come. You might have your, like, we've got Alfie and Rebecca, and we've got a little Daisy, because you know we have Daisy, and we've got maybe a couple for our friends as well, and not forgetting I've got to have one as well. So what I thought I'd do is I'd just have a little play with these, and just let's just get cracking with these. So what I've done is I've already put a bit of black gesso on these, and I'm just going to clean my brush, and I'm going to use some lovely metallic paints. So with this being an indigo blue one, obviously I'm going to be doing some blues on here. I think maybe I'm looking for, should we go for Kingfisher? Oh, that's Sargasso Sea. Ah.
Just underneath your hand. Second one up. What's that?
No, that's translucent.
Oh.
Sorry, I've just got my translucent paints out instead of my metallics, and I'm not quite sure where all my metallics have gone. Let me just have a look here. So I am going to just use this one. I don't know where they've gone, Alfie. They must be packed away for Maidstone this weekend. So I'm going to use this beautiful colour here, and this is going to be launched on the 10th of October for a very special launch that we're doing, and that's all I'm going to say about this. This is
News to me.
The 10th of October, or is it the 6th of October? It's the 6th of October.
Ah, right, okay.
Yeah. You know what the 6th of October is, don't you, Alfie? Yeah.
Didn't know what the 10th was, know what the 6th
No,
is.
the 6th of October. Yeah, and this one is called Alice. Okay, shut up, Kay. Okay, so I'm just going to do the sides, and what we've got here, we've got a nice sort of inscribed indigo blue here, which is lovely. There we go. And then what should we do? What should we do with Santa then? Let me just clean my brush. I think we will have him now. Should we go for a little bit of red around the outside? This is called Queen of Hearts. I honestly didn't lose my my metallic paints on purpose. I didn't. I genuinely don't know where they are. I say they're probably in ready to go to Maidstone. So yes, we are doing our Dirty Weekend this weekend in Maidstone. For those of you who don't know what a Dirty Weekend is, don't worry, it's nothing odd. Well, it might be for some. So we get down and dirty with paint and mixed media and lots of crafty makes, and yeah, have just a fabulous time. And we do these around the country. So this year we've done Manchester, Edinburgh, we're going to Maidstone, we're going to Exeter, and where else have we gone? Edinburgh, Manchester, Maidstone. Is that it?
We're not really with it today.
We're not, are we? You can tell that we've been on holiday. We're just we're just not really. I've had such a lot to do today to catch up. I'm like completely spinning.
I think that probably is it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do those around the country. I obviously do lots of lovely Zoom classes, which is brilliant because people from all over the world can actually join in with that. So that's really good fun as well. So we do loads of those online with Zoom. I don't think I like the yellow. I was going to do gold, but don't like the yellow. It's not going to work with black on gesso underneath, as it would have been white with white gesso underneath. So I'm going to go over that, I think, with a different colour. So what can we do? What can we do? Let's do a bit of pink here. So yeah, you can guess that this is Cheshire Cat. And let's just zip that. Zip that around. And the doggies have come in to say hello. They're supposed to be in their house
Just
having
Duke.
their tea.
They've had the tea.
He's had his tea. Okay, Duke's come in to say hello, everyone. He's had a lovely time on holiday, been in the sea every day, having a nice swim. No, I did not go for a swim. No, I mean, the Northumberland people, yeah, they're in there, no wetsuits, just straight away swimming. Is me and me cagoule on the shore, looking at them in admiration, going, you won't find me in the sea unless it's so hot. Okay, so now what's that going to do? That's quite nice. That's quite nice, but I think it needs a little bit of something else on there. So let's give that a little bit of a blast.
Windy was at Bamborough today.
Oh, really? Were you? Oh, fantastic. Well, that's where we were. And we actually did manage to get in the castle this time, which was really good because we didn't know that you can actually take dogs. It's just in the staterooms that you can't actually take them in. So we took turns in that, didn't we? Which was fabulous. So really enjoyed that. Really wanted to go to Alnwick again this time, but didn't manage that because really you need a full day there and you can't take doggies in. So yeah, Bamborough's beautiful. So I've just put a little bit of white gel pen on that, and then you can just decorate this with a few little dots, or that's not going to show up, so maybe, you know, just like here I've just highlighted his nose with a little bit of whites there, a little bit of black on his eyes here, which is kind of cute, and a few little dots around here would look quite nice. Glitter, get all your glitters out, get your pens out, your Poscas, just do whatever you like. And these are great to actually make with the kids. I mean, yeah, get paint all over the place and just have a lovely time. And they're super easy, aren't they? And I like the fact that they're in two pieces so that you can decorate them however you want. Just want to say hi to Anne Godfrey. Hope you're okay, sweetie pie. She's been a bit poorly, off colour, so just want to send you my love, and hope you're all doing okay out there. And Catherine, I got your message, Catherine. We're going to see you at Maidstone this weekend with Iris. That's going to be great. Looking forward to that. It seems ages since we've been to Maidstone.
It's a year.
Yeah. Yes, you're right, Alfie. It is a year. Oh, gosh. Okay, so a little bit of grab and go on here. So before you put it down, just take your finger and just smooch that around a little bit. You only put far too much on. And then that will just line up beautifully like that. See? Too much K. See that? But that's a great opportunity for me to show you. If you just use a damp paintbrush, you can just clean up those bits. And I know it dries clear and you won't see it, but it just annoys me. So I am just gonna clean up all these little bits that are sticking out because it just is so annoying. And then you just need a little bit of ribbon or string or whatever else you have to hand just to thread through here. Now, I haven't decorated the back, but I think it would look really nice if you put a bit of Christmas paper on the back. And I think that would definitely do the trick. So let me just trim that off. Yeah, you see, it looks untidy, that, doesn't it, on the back? Yeah, can't stand that. So I will definitely paint that and just tidy that up a little bit. Yeah, just paint that. Nice bit of Christmas paper on there, and away you go. So we have, as I say, let me just get rid of this. There we go. So here we are. You can go for reindeer, you can go for Santa, the stars, Christmas tree, little dog with a heart, little cat, any of those. If you're not joining me on the 15th of October in Retford to do this, don't worry, you can actually get these off the website and have a blast at playing with these. I like the fact that that is completely see-through, so you could put some vellum on there, and that's 3D as well, or whatever you want. Lovely. So a really, really quick one today.
So if you show people the apron as well.
Yeah. So
it's probably better and, well, it's just the light isn't very good. But okay.
Okay, here we go.
Just bring it closer up where the light is.
Dun, dun, dun. So that is the panel that we're going to be decorating, but we also have lots of other bits and pieces on it, so you can see all the artists' bits and bobs, the paint tubes, the paintbrushes, all of those bits and bobs as well. I've put some extra little bits on, like some badges and buttons and stuff like that, which you can later on, but that's what we'll be doing, which is just a fab class. You'll really enjoy it, and hopefully you'll join us in Retford on the 14th and 15th. So thank you so much for watching. Lovely to see you all. We're glad we're back, full of energy, and we'll see you next week very soon. And if you're in Maidstone, can't wait to see you. Hugs at the ready. Take care, everyone. Night night.
Bye.